Hello children, welcome to the Apple International School Foundation Stage 1 Math class. Children, today's learning objective is learners will be able to identify 2D shapes and 3D shapes through visual discrimination. And today's learning outcome is learners are able to identify 2D and 3D shapes with visual discrimination and differentiate between 2D shape and 3D shape. So children, we are in previous class we learned about 2D shapes. So 2D shapes are flat shapes which can be drawn on flat surface like paper. So here are some 2D shapes. They are triangle, square, circle and rectangle. So these shapes we can draw on a surface which is flat like a paper. And we learned about 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid shapes which occupy space like cone, cylinder, cube and sphere. Yes, so we all learned about these 3D shapes in our last class. Now let us revise about this shape and differentiate between 2D shape and 3D shape. So let's find out what is difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape. Here we have a square and a cube. So, square cannot roll. Can a square roll? A flat 2D shape, can it roll? No, it cannot roll. But a cube can roll. Like we have a dice. So, when we play, we roll a dice. So, 2D shape, square, cannot roll. It's a flat shape. Okay? But cube is a solid shape, so it can roll. Let us go to the next shape. Here I have a photo frame and I have a dice. So now the photo frame is flat, square and the cube is solid cube. So these are the example for flat 2D shape and solid 3D shape. So the frame is in 2D shape and the cube dice is in 3D shape. Now let us go to the next slide. Okay, now here we have circle and sphere. So circle is a flat shape which cannot roll. We can only draw the circle on the flat surface. But sphere is a solid shape which can roll. Yes, do you agree with me? Yes, like a example. Let us find an example for circle and sphere. A clock. A clock is in shape of a circle. So can a clock roll like a ball? No. And the ball is in a sphere shape which can roll and we all play with this football. Now let us go to the next. So children, the next shape here we have is a triangle and a cone. Triangle shape is flat and the cone is solid shape. So now let us find the example for the flat triangle shape and solid shape cone. Children, when you eat chips, have you seen the shape of it? Some chips have triangle shapes like here. So this shape of the chip is triangle. Yes, when you eat chips, just observe it. Okay? And here I have a birthday cap. So now let's differentiate between the chip and a birthday cap. So chip is in flat triangle shape and the birthday cap is in solid cone shape. Children, here I have a rectangle. Rectangle is a flat 2D shape which we can draw on a paper, on a wall, anywhere. And here I have a cylinder. Cylinder is a solid 3D shape which occupies the space and it is solid. For rectangle is a blackboard in the school. So we have whiteboard and a blackboard in the school. The shape of the board is rectangle. And here we have a cola tin which is solid cylinder shape. So this tin is in a shape of a cylinder. Activity time. So children, let's do some activity. So children, you have to match the shape to the given object. Now there is a cube, so you need to find a cube and match. So let's find a similar shape like a cube. So here is a gift box which is similar to the cube. Let's match the cube with the gift box. Yes, you're right. And we have a cone here, and this cone shape matches with the ice cream cone. Yes, you're right. And here we have a cylinder. So it's going to match a basket here, which is in the shape of the cylinder. Perfect. And the last we have a spear. So this spear matches with the ball, the red ball. Yes, well done. Good job, children. Thank you, children. You all did a great job. See you next week. Take care. Bye.